Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. So we are not just trying to take care of our friends.
Dugayan ninyo eh.
Now it's sad to see that a lot of animals are struggling their life due to pollution and improper waste management. So let's help keep our environmental even
Baliktad.
things there from global warming and
Una,
reducing
nakita ano naman yung mga tao. Baliktad.
Now let's come together and say what a great inspiration of God and gift of Mother Nature. Now see if Blue and Nika Salvoro can do it, then so can we. Okay guys, before we end our show, we are inviting all of you to have to grab a souvenir photo with our lovely birds. So after the show guys, you're gonna have a photo chance or opportunity with our lovely bird. You can come here in the front and you're gonna hold the bird with your own hand. And by the way, we have an official photographer right over there. Yung magandang lalaki na tayo guys. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy our bird show. Now, are the birds spectacular? Yes, well, they're always with our small effort we take, let's take action in saving them from extinction. And please, let's do our part in saving this wonderful world because remember, peace is the only home that we got. Now, we'll present to you the virtual trainers are show possible. We have trainer Cristiano right there as DJ. We have trainer Nika Salvador right here with Blue. And trainer Andre Evangelista with Sweetie. And along the other snaps here in Cebu Ocean Park. This is me again, Peter Jan, your host for this afternoon.